25, 26, 27. Leo, I am teaching class. Come back here this instant.
Go sit down for class. Go see Audrey.
Leo, get back here for class. Come here, Leo.
Nope. Go to class.
Okay, sit. Sit.
Okay. I'll get a snack. I'll get one potato chip and maybe he'll behave. Here, hold it.
Leo. Come here. All right, sit. Easy. Easy. Easy.
Now,
All right.
we have 27, 28, 29, and then we go 30. But that's as far as we're going to go today unless you want to go far. So, let's start by 30. What comes next? Yes, you're right. 31, 32, 33. That's a battery. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now, snack time, and I will go get you a biscuit. Be right back. Mommy, it's snack time in class, so it's time for a biscuit.
Come here, Leo. Sit. Sit. No, sit. Okay.
Because class is dismissed.